I've never actually seen one before.
We got $250 on it, Dave. Are we wanting to do discount today?
Do you happen to have anything vintage Garbage Pail Kids? Like
Yes, we have.
All right, everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we are at D's Toys. I believe this is basically just like the south side of Indianapolis. I saw downtown when I was driving over here. So I think we're pretty close to the south side of Indianapolis. Until a couple days ago, I didn't even know this store was here. So I was doing my normal Facebook search and it popped up. Got a hold of them and they said, yeah, come on out. All right, so here we are at D's Toys and Collectibles. Looks like they're open 7 days a week. Very cool. Before we head into D's Vintage Toys, I want to take a minute to thank Current for sponsoring today's episode of Nostalgia Business. Current is the future of banking entirely on your smartphone with a mobile app and a debit card. Every time Current sponsors one of my videos, they make it fun with an exciting giveaway. This time is no different. Download the app using the link in the description and plug in my promo code Froggy250, and Current will surprise one lucky viewer by depositing $250 directly into their account. Once you download the app, you can do things like set up direct deposit and create savings pods that can earn up to 4% APY. That is 4 times the national average. The app is quick, convenient, and easy to use, and the debit card makes paying in-store or online a breeze. Current even offers incentives for you and your friends when you send them a referral link and they make a qualifying deposit. So be sure to download the Current app using the link in the description and my promo code Froggy250 for a chance to be the lucky viewer that gets $250 loaded directly into their account. Thank you again, Current, the future of mobile banking.
Stop.
How's it going?
Hey there, how you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, I like your shirt.
Thank you, thank you.
What I can see.
Orco.
Oh, you're here to do the walkthrough, dirty.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool.
Try to stay off the major junk piles.
Oh,
we're
that's
working at.
that's the fun stuff. Cool, man. My name's Anthony, by the way.
Right on, Anthony. This is Anthony. He's going to do the GoPro and go around.
How's it going, man?
Hey, Anthony.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Cool.
What else? What next?
And that's Brian and Matt over there. There's Brian coming towards us. That's Anthony.
Okay. Hey, how's it going?
Let's GoPro and take pictures and do awesome little YouTube video today. Sweet.
Thanks, man.
20s.
Look at that. There's the giant atom bomb. I've actually kind of been looking for that.
15. That one.
No, not. What you got on my belly?
It's on your belly.
Yeah, I got my hat.
That's a cool purple hat.
Yeah, it sounds funny, right?
Yeah. That Fireball Island.
I'm here to go see my daddy.
Okay. Do you like the turtles?
Yeah, I like the turtles.
My daughter does too.
They are my favorite.
I'm gonna look on this side real quick. Got to see the Star Wars. There's Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice.
Yeah,
Beetlejuice.
that's a fun one.
I can see it.
Man, there's a lot to look at here.
Yeah, we do.
Pretty incredible.
Yeah, we're trying to get it. We got a lot that we got in recently, and had a storage unit across the way that got broken into. And
Oh,
a
no.
lot taken from it. So
Jeez.
we moved everything out of there into here, and now it's
I don't think I've seen a store with this much stuff per like square foot.
Yeah,
Very awesome.
We have I just rented it the upstairs, so it's another 5,000
Oh, really?
feet up there.
Wow.
Eventually I'll have it. It needs some work though. It needs some flooring and some
Yeah.
drywall and a fire escape and all kinds of stuff before I'm gonna be able to open it up. But it'll be happening soon.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Right.
I do want to grab this. I've never actually seen one before. And it's complete, and it's a fair
We
price.
haven't had anybody bring in. Uh-oh.
I think I have to.
Yeah, let me get some of that stuff cleared off. It is mine. We got $250 on it, Dave. Are we wanting to do discount today?
Yeah.
Okay. I figured.
Oh, that's nice. I've never seen a complete one before. That's awesome.
we were debating on keeping that for our. We're going to be eventually at some point in time having a game shop upstairs.
Oh, really?
And we were debating on keeping that, but I'm like, we could sell it and we can get because they kickstarted a new version.
Yeah, sure.
So,
Yeah, we might as well sell the vintage one to somebody who will appreciate it.
with those,
Yep, I got 6 packs of Alf.
of the Alf, we
Yep.
got $1 a piece on them.
Do you happen to have anything vintage Garbage Pail Kids? Like in sort
Yes,
of...
give me one moment.
Sure.
We have Series 5 packs that are 20 a pack,
Okay.
and then we have loose,
Okay.
individual loose.
Green
All
on
we
the
got
wall.
else other than that is we've got the 2018 Food Fight,
Yeah.
and then the 2019 35th anniversary packs.
Okay, those are packs.
Yes.
How much you have on those?
5.
5 a piece?
Yeah.
All right, let me grab some of those too.
How many?
2 of each?
2 of each?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's our. They're somewhat. They are
okay.
in order.
Let me put some on the floor real quick.
They are in order, and it goes from Series 2 on.
Okay.
Series 2 starts here, and then it goes down.
Cool. I think all the old packs that I have, most of them are Series 5. So
Yeah, that was easier.
yeah, I mean those are really easy to find for some reason. Those are what I always find.
That's they realized how big their market was, I think, after their 3rd series.
Yeah.
And they started they made a lot of 3rd, 4th, and 5th.
Yeah.
And then they got lazy again and started making less of them.
I need to go through that 3rd binder at some point and figure out what I need after that for my stuff.
The 3rd's one of the easiest ones to find.
Well, the 3rd binder is like, I don't know, but it's like
But if
500s.
you notice in the 3rd edition, they did a lot of mess ups where they did 3 different names and 2 different checklists, and they would have an A, a B, and an A, a B that was different names. There's
And I've
3
been
different-
working on that as well for because we've got those checklists from the website. That
The
website.
website has them on there, yeah.
Yeah.
It does. As a kid, I had them already. I noticed it already. I had collected that way as a kid.
You guys have a lot. I think I need to organize my collection. Come in and see what I need.
Probably almost complete a 3rd series set.
Kind of what I'm thinking. I
I
gotta
think
kind of
I've
look and see
got,
what I got.
from 3rd series, I think I'm only missing like 3 cards.
Oh, you'll
3
probably
or
have them in there.
3. No, I've already gone through the 3rd series
Oh,
in
you
here.
already did 3rd?
Oh, I've already done the first 2 books.
I'm gonna come back in and look at those when I look at my
It's
stuff.
the 3rd book I haven't done yet.
Yeah, make your list. Come in.
Okay.
We even have more that didn't make it into that binder, actually.
Oh, really?
Somewhere.
Yes, we
Somewhere.
Find them yet.
All right, we'll leave it too.
$236.26.
I think that's $240.
And then,
All right, man. Take care.
hey, you too.
So we are back from D's Toys and Collectibles, and I'll tell you what, that store was bursting at the seams for whatever it is you may be looking for. If you're looking for Motu, they had Motu. If you want Thundercats, there was a wall of Thundercats. Tons and tons of Star Wars, if that's your thing. Vintage or modern Hot Wheels or Matchbox cars, I saw thousands of them. Long box after long box of comics. Plenty of TMNT, or if something like Barbie or even horror figures are your thing, they got you covered. I personally decided to pop on the Fireball Island. This is the original release from 1986. It is a game that is on everybody's BOLO list. I've never actually seen one in person before, so it was really cool to see it. And honestly, these videos aren't really about value or getting a good deal. However, $200 for this game in this condition was an absolute unbelievable buy. The box was all wrapped up. I was not able to see inside it. It said it was complete, but as far as the condition of the pieces go, it was kind of a gamble, but really at the $200 to $250 price mark, unless you get lucky at a garage sale or jump on an eBay auction just in time, that kind of money is going to get you an incomplete game or a game with pretty messed up pieces or even reproduction pieces. The pieces ended up being beautiful. We have our 3D game board, our rule book, we have the 3-piece idol, we have two 2-piece bridges, we have one deck of 48 cards, and I could not see a crease in any of these cards, which is a common problem. Messed up cards. Perfect in this case. 4 plastic tokens, 5 red fireball marbles, 1 red jewel, notorious for getting lost, 1 red die, and 4 plastic playing pieces. Another thing that you'll see a lot is reproduction playing pieces or playing pieces with broken hands or missing parts. These, all 4 of them, are in mint condition. They look like they've maybe never even been handled. So for $200, absolutely killer deal, and this box is even in nice displayable condition. Very excited to have found this complete 1986 Fireball Island at D's Toys and Collectibles in Indianapolis, Indiana. So that does it for this episode. We'll see you on the next one.